So, hello everyone. I hope you all are doing great. And today, let me introduce myself. I hope everything is groovy at your end. This is Lakshat Pan, Community Manager at Azure Developer Community. So, today we are going to listen about what are the ways and what are the Azure Developer Community associated with how this initiative has been started, when this initiative has been started. And so, talking about all these conversion, we are having Deepak K, and he's gonna give you a glimpse about what Azure Developer Community looks like, what it's looked like to be Azure Dev lead, be one of the Azure Developer lead in the community, and working as an organizer in Azure Developer Community, organizing multiple sessions. So stay tuned with the community. Like we are coming up with a lot of amazing sessions, and in the audience part, if you have any feedback, like if you want any topics to be covered from our side, then do let us know. We will cover that from. So reach out to your nearest AZ developer leads. They will organize the sessions for you. So let me introduce Deepak. Like he is Azure developer lead, as I told, at Azure Developer Community, and also he's Microsoft certified trainer. He's also Microsoft Azure AI Data Fundamental certified, Microsoft certified AI fundamentals, and also he's a Microsoft Learn Student Ambassador, also having a multi-phase personality and working as a cloud associate engineer. So he's the perfect person to get mentored with. And so over to you, Deepak.
Hello everyone. Myself Deepak. Currently, I'm working as an associate cloud engineer in a company called Elysian. I have a hands-on experience on AWS Cloud and Azure more, and have been certified as in Azure Fundamentals, Data Fundamentals, and AI Fundamentals. And it is exactly the thing that I have got selected for Azure Developer Community as a Azure Dev Lead, part of a team in Bangalore team, and today I will be explaining you on what is this Azure Developer Community and why you should join Azure Developer Community. What are the benefits either for students, professionals, or anyone else want to learn about Azure, or how they can be benefited in the community. And I will also be helping you understanding on how you can get free certifications in Azure provided by Microsoft, and how you can prepare for Azure certifications and Azure products, and you can work day-to-day projects in Azure using cloud. So first is the main motto of the Azure Developer Community is learn, network, and upskill. So the first part, like especially when we ask what is Azure Developer Community, the first thing we can say is like Azure Developer Community is a unique upskilling platform. We know that in India, lakhs of students, engineering students, and other students gets passed out from the colleges, or professionals who are constantly working, but they need some growth either in their career or in their skills so that they can sustain any situations which recently we got COVID, and it showed us the true face how it hit a lot in the industry. So those people who were upskilled were the people who had sustained. Those people students who were upskilled in few trending technologies were getting placed, and those people who though has got very good marks in exams colleges, still they were not getting placed. So this Azure Developer Community will help in building the skill in each of us, and helping us in all way, either it is technical, non-technical, and any community support, so that we upskill ourselves. Every student get upskill, every professional get upskill, and he can input those skills he learned in his career, in his learning, in his day-to-day task, and build his career in coming days. So this is main motto is helping developers to learn, upskill, network, and by attending regular community events, sharing knowledge, growing along with other community members. And So for more details, you can visit Azure Dev Community website. I will be showing you how what is there in website also in the coming slides. So as I said, why to join Azure Developer Community? It is
Okay, so
first learn it.
I'm sorry to interrupt you, Deepak. Like, are you showing up any slides because your screen is not visible to us?
Okay, I have shared my screen. Sorry, I think. Can you see my
Yeah,
screen?
it's now. Yeah, now it's visible. Perfect.
Okay. Uh, as I told about Azure Developer Community, why to join Azure Developer Community was main is learning. We give amazing opportunities for you to learn on various Microsoft Azure products, GitHub, DevOps, Cloud, and various other technologies using Azure services, and you can interact with the industry experts. There are a lot of people who are helping, mentoring each of the students with great care, and making sure that you will be benefited with whatever time you invest in the community. And you can also get an opportunity to help others. And the second point is network. Though we have learned people in India like lack in the skills of networking each other. Moreover, after this pandemic of 2 years, people being work from home or online remote classes, they have lost the connection of how to interact with the people, how to build the soft skills, how to get shared knowledge from each of them, and how stage fear and many things. So this platform, Azure Developer Community platform, gives us a platform where we can network with our mentors, with the industry experts, and with each other peers, and make a team, build projects, discuss each other, understand our weak points, and start working on it, take others help. So this is the main core part of the networking here. And upskilling, so once we learned the skills, once we got to know each other in the teams, we can input it, those things in our day-to-day task, in our projects, or build a project. Or who knows, you can also build a startup. You get amazing team members from this community, and you can build a startups. And where, or you can, if you have a work in companies, or your project, you need any support, then Azure Developer will be standing behind you to help you, support you. So Azure, so what is Azure? Azure, Microsoft Azure, often referred as Azure Cloud Platform, is has more than 200 products or services, cloud services designed to bring in new solutions in our day-to-day tasks. For example, Azure is like a cloud where nowadays we know people are transferring from the shifting from on-premises servers to cloud technology, so that they can they're hosting their application, their websites, everything on cloud, and making it easy for them to make a global reach out. So Microsoft is playing a vital role in bringing up this Azure cloud platform to satisfy every need of a developer in making his ambitious goal to achieve. So there are around 200 products, whether you are building an Android application, whether you are building a website, do you want front end technology tools, or back end tools, DevOps tools, artificial intelligence, data science tools, or you want to build a hybrid technology, everything has been covered in the Azure cloud services. We can see the sectors like healthcare, financial services, retail, government, manufacturing. Every sector has Azure has solution for every sector. And you can also see in the website whether this Azure services is useful for you, the products are useful for you. And for beginners, those people who want to try, for them Azure is providing a free tier account, so they can explore whether it is suitable for their whatever they are going to achieve, or their problem will be solved here. And we can go for products. You can see virtual machines, virtual desktop, Azure SQL, Cosmo DB. And if you go to here, we can see for DevOps, we have Azure DevOps, pipelines, boards, dev test labs, and containers, like for especially for Kubernetes, called Azure Kubernetes Service, OpenShift, container apps. And if you have already on-prem and you want to build a hybrid, you also have the various services which will be a best part to learn. It's a huge ocean. Along with that, Microsoft also own like GitHub, and you can integrate them. You can explore more and make use of more benefit. And if you don't know any of these technologies which you needed in the coming days, don't worry, we will be there. Like I, being a part of team Bangalore Dev Lead, we from Azure Developer Community is standing up to guide you, brings more technical sessions, events, and helping you to practice and move forward in upskilling yourself. So, what are the events? Types of events we conduct in Azure Developer Community is technical sessions. That's the main first part. Like we conduct, you can visit our YouTube channel. You can be in our Discords, where will get day-to-day updates on each day. Various technology will be technical sessions will be going on, and that too with the industry experts who have 10 plus to 15 plus experience, or has done tremendous who has tremendous knowledge on various products in Azure, or it can be other technologies. And they will be sitting and will be guiding you, and in the during technical sessions. and we will be conducting the boot camps, which will be also including certification boot camps. Like we know that just conducting 1 hour session might not be sufficient for those enthusiastic people who need some support, who want to build a team and work on some real hands-on experience. So we have boot camps for you, and we will be giving you certification, so it will be a proof of learning for you. And along with that, we have hackathons. In hackathons, you will be given those people who are more active in events, boot camps, gets an opportunity of getting Azure free credits, and they can be used in their Azure free tier account, and build projects and showcase in hackathons and win amazing Microsoft merchandise prizes, wax bottles, or t-shirts, and many more. Along with this, all these things, you will also be get chance having a chance of getting Microsoft certification vouchers. There are multiple specialization vouchers and fundamental vouchers, which will be provided by Azure Developer Community for those active participants, and Azure credits for projects. And there are a lot of coming in coming days. Now we are in conducting remote these events, and we are reaching more people, more areas, various cities. And in future, once COVID everything goes normal, if everything goes fine, if as planned, we will be starting conducting offline events on our city basis. So you can be excited there, where you can get networking with people in person. So the first part you have to do is attending the session, and congrats, you are doing this. And the second part you have to do is join our Discord community server. You can see in our YouTube live chat, you can get the link, or you can take the screenshot of this link, where you will be like, not only me, there are multiple various Azure developers across India being very active, and clarifying all your doubts, helping you to understand any technology, any silly question, big or small, difficult or easy, irrespective of whatever you are asking. They will be helping you irrespective of the Azure technologies. They will be guiding you. We will be guiding you there, and we are having everyday quizzes. And in these quizzes, if you answer those quizzes, you will be, if you win, you will be getting the Microsoft merchandise. And this is an amazing opportunity. And there are around 2000 plus students, and they are every day there are a lot of students getting add on, and you can be the part of one of the largest student professional student collaborated community in India. So our next event, so this was about our Azure Developer Community. And what's next is our next event is happening on day after tomorrow, that is on 18th March, 9 p.m. The first topic is Azure Fundamentals, and our speaker will be the Antariksh Pratham, who is already Microsoft certified trainer, 4 times Azure IT support. He is also in digital marketing, and he has also various other global certifications, especially in Azure. And he will be taking a session on us session to you guys on March 18th. So we will be conducting, like coming days, we'll be conducting boot camps, various sessions. We'll be bringing more speakers, and we'll be conducting hackathons and whatnot in Discord community. There are other Azure developer leaders conducting various other creative sessions. You can go and attend them, and everything is for free. Now coming to what how our Azure developer, you can join to our Azure developer community is one, joining through Discord community. If you want to know how, what is about our community and more about details about our community, you can come to the website called azuredev.reskill, where you can see, you can find the chapters are the regions or the city where you locate. You can go and find them which is near to you, and you can join the chapter. If you are if you're not, if you're willing to become a speaker, you want to take some, you know, some technology, and you want to help other students bringing impact in their life in upskilling, then you can surely apply for a speaker, and we will be always welcoming you to give give you a chance to become a speaker and help our community people. And you can see here already 24,609 members are already present. We have covered around 100 cities, and we have around 106 organizers, and 54 speakers are already present. So you can understand how much impact in coming days it can happen, and the how big the platform is growing, how the community is growing. And if you want to know more about Azure Developer Community, here it is. And who should join? The main part we are looking is not your degrees, not your marks, or not your background. We just see your tech enthusiasts who are passionate about learning continuously, and who believe in sharing the knowledge. is a catalyst to growth. So those people who allow networking, those who are not, who are enthusiastic in learning, those who are willing to help each other to upskill themselves, are always welcome to join our community. They can be either a speaker, and if you have other skills, like you have good management skills and you have some technology and you're willing to organize events for, or you want to become a lead for your city and organize events for the students or the professionals who are there in your city, then we welcome you to apply for Azure Developer Lead. Like this, there are lots of people who had applied for Azure Developer Lead, who helped others people in mentoring or organizing the sessions, and they themselves has got cha- uh, lot of new potential about, learned about their new potential by facing new challenges, and they have understood. So you can come here and apply as an organizer. You can see the people like associate cloud from Microsoft. There are product architects, technical consultants, graduate data analysts, and you can find a lot of various people from various backgrounds with various qualifications and knowledge. You can network with them. And if you want to know what are the upcoming events are coming, sessions are happening, you can come here. It's not only about Azure or Azure Cloud. This can be also about full stack web development, integration to Azure Dev communities, SQL, SQL, Azure storage, logic app advanced, and NLP, the most like NLP in Azure advanced levels. So it is from basic, those people who doesn't know anything, from basic beginner level till advanced level, you can always go and register for free and attend the session and utilize your time to upskill yourself. And you can see here all events are present. If you want to see industry experts who are present, we can see like senior technical architect, JP Morgan, people working from JP Morgan, full stack engineers, and COOs and software engineers. Who knows, if you apply as a speaker or also as a organizer, devil lead, then you surely your image also will be coming here, and people will be starting networking with you, because we will be providing a LinkedIn profile. You can go and connect with them, and people will also be connecting with you. And coming to our partnership, like we are not alone. We don't think only about our communities, we also love to help other communities in bringing them also upward. The end part of, at the end of the day, what we think is upskilling the tech enthusiast developer student is the main motto, and the same principle or the same motto keeping other communities also we help. Like example, devscript and code in girlscript.tech, developer student community, DSC, Azure, Elastic. So, and there are many more who are tying up with us, conducting many events where our community students will be going and attending their sessions, and their students will be coming to our sessions. So this will be a great bond we also will be building. And we also have partnership with several colleges and universities. As I said, though people students are getting good score in colleges, getting good marks, though they are very much studied, they still lack in the skills which is been demanded by the technical industry. So there are many colleges who has came up and made us a tie with up, like especially UPS, Chitkara University, Chandigarh University, and across the India. They want their students to get upskill, and everything is for free. They want to upskill their students so that they will be ready for getting into the industries without any much difficulties. So if you want to see where our community all over India, we can see the image, how much regions we have been covered. And if there is any region hasn't been covered, you can also feel free to apply. So in Bangalore, we have, in along Karnataka, we have around 4 to 5, like Mangalore, Shimoga, Hubli, Bangalore, Mysore. So if you have any friends, or if you are in any WhatsApp groups where there are students from other regions apart from like either Bangalore, Chennai, any people like Maharashtra, North India, you can feel free to help them to know that there is a platform called Azure Developer Community is present, who are ready to help every individual to upskill themselves. So you can encourage them to join our community and get benefit of it. So this was all about our Azure Developer Community. And coming to Microsoft certifications, like Azure has few certifications which I want to share to you. Like you can visit to Microsoft virtual training days. So here Microsoft they themselves with industry experts, they are conducting various events like on DevOps with GitHub fundamentals, data fundamentals, AI fundamentals, well architectured Linux DB migration. And if you visit for fundamentals or data fundamentals, you will also be getting, if you attend the 2 days event, you will also be getting the free Microsoft voucher of worth of around 3 to 4 thousand rupees. You will be getting a knowledge, and along with that, you will be getting the certification voucher for free, and you can attend this session. And not worry, like these. If you feel these are complex in understanding here, you can always come to our Azure Developer Community inside and ask the doubts you have, or if you are working on anything. Also, if you feel like you want to know or learn more on those fundamentals or any topic, you can always visit our YouTube channel. And in YouTube channel, you can see our YouTube channel. There we various industry experts has explained the fundamentals. And we are also conducting Azure fundamentals. This will help you to crack your exam and kickstart your Azure your career with Azure Cloud especially. So not only this, you also have Microsoft 365 security basis sessions. And if you want to be an organizer speaker, you are feel free to apply here in our website. Well, that was all about Azure Developer Community.
Yeah, perfect, perfect. So very nice, and like no doubts on whatever you said. It's just perfect thing. Everything you said is exactly right. So I just want to take up the question like what Jyotika said. Keyword skills. Do we need to become a speaker or organizer? So specifically, we are not looking for the skill, but if you have some edge after Microsoft Azure, that is a plus. But you must look after the map, like in which if near your city or near your uh, state we do have an organizer or Azure developer lead, then it might be a little bit complicated. Then you have to wait for the end of the cohort of that Azure dev lead, or you can just connect with him or whatever you want to do. You can just do likewise. But in case you don't have any Azure developer leads in your city, then you can just fill up the form, and I'll share the link in the chat box. Let me give me a second. So here is the link that you can go through, and you can just check out if the Azure Developer Lead is already present in your city or not. If not, then do apply. We'll go through your profile, and we will just go through. If we will find your profile suitable for Azure Developer Lead, then welcome to the team. We are happy to onboard you. And so any other doubts, if anyone is having, just let me know about Azure Developer Community or anything. It can be regarding like skill, like certifications. Like I just want to add one point, but Deepak said like about the certifications. If you want to get certified in basics of like Microsoft Azure certification, like it can be AZ900, DP900, A900. These are basically some fundamentals of Microsoft Azure certification. If you want, if you want some like advanced level certification like AZ104, 204, like all these certification, we are also coming with the boot camps. So like one boot camp is scheduled from 23 to 25th of March. That is basically on AZ900, and next boot camp is scheduled from 25th to 28th March. You can participate in that too for getting the certification and learnings from the expert over the Microsoft. And the experts are basically Microsoft certified trainers or industrial experts having incredible experience in the teaching experience as well as the Azure Microsoft Azure portal. Also, if like we will be giving every participant the Microsoft Azure certification vouchers so that he can get certified for free learnings. We are giving certificate vouchers in case we found your performance exemplary. Then what we will do, we will give your Azure portal passes also, like something like $100 worth or more like that. So we can give you Azure portal passes. Also, adding to that, if like we do have multiple quizzes scheduled, like we are going to organize some holy quiz also this week. This is the Discord link where we organize our quizzes, and it is just basically on some question based on some basics of Azure. So if you are just a beginner also, do participate in the quiz. This will enhance your knowledge, like what are the types of questions, how you can just get certified. This is help you in your certification journey, because if you surround yourself with Microsoft Azure, if you are getting everything from Microsoft Azure, then it will help you to boost your career basically in Microsoft Azure. Okay, so we have also every Friday we do a quiz in our Discord channel. So it is every Friday. It's scheduled, but now what we are doing is there because of this festival season, we are also organizing multiple quizzes where we are giving Azure portal passes worth of $1,000. $1,000 of Azure passes we are giving in every quiz, and we are planning to do approximate 10 plus quizzes this week. So it will be a 7 day quiz, 7 day quiz. Like every day there will be one quiz at 7 p.m. or 8 p.m. It might be, it might vary like according to time and audience. So you can participate in the quiz and you can get a chance to win the Azure portal passes worth of hundreds of dollars. Okay. So do participate in the quiz, and any other doubts if you have regarding the quiz and anything, just let us know. We are here to solve your doubts. And okay. Oh, we are open to queries now. If you have any doubt, then let us know. Okay, so this is the Discord link basically. Perfect. And just adding to one more point, like as Deepak said, we do have one. Yeah, okay. Yes, okay. So we have one more session on 18th of March by Antriksh Pratham. Let me give a brief about Antriksh Pratham. I hope you means multiple. He's an incredible man having incredible experience in Microsoft Azure. So he's coming for amazing talk. He is MCT certified, having a very precise knowledge of Microsoft Azure. So he'll be giving a talk on Microsoft Azure, how to get started with Microsoft Azure fundamentals, how to get certified, and all these things. So if you still have any doubts, if you like after like this session is gonna wrap up in a couple of minutes. So if you get any doubts like how to get started and everything about Microsoft Azure, so you can just ask your doubts on day after tomorrow session, which is going to be scheduled at 18 March 9 p.m. So this is it. So I hope we will see you there in that session. So I guess there are no doubts. So guys, do participate in the quiz. This is free. Everything is you are getting are for free certificate vouchers, learnings, and we are helping you to boost up your career in cloud because cloud is the future. No matter if it is going to be a metaverse, it's coming, a lot of things, amazing things are coming, technology is just enhancing every day, but cloud is the real future, because on the basis of cloud these all future of future is going to be like what we can say, depend. Cloud is the most basic thing, it is the code part that gonna rule the future. So just upskill yourself, your career in cloud computing, and start from the day one. So bye guys, bye. So thank you. I would like to thank the Azure Developer lead Deepak. Thank you for coming to the session on this basic introductory session. It was very welcoming to have you here, and we will look forward to organize multiple sessions with you. So thank you for coming,
Thank you.
and yeah, thank
Thank you so much, Lakshit Pant. Very much. It was very nice talking to you, and thanks for making this program very easy to us to organize everything. And yeah, we are very much eager to conduct more sessions and collaborate more with the Azure Developer Community and help more skills students and professionals to upskill themselves. Thank you so much. Have a nice
yeah,
day.
perfect guys. So see you then. See you guys. Bye bye. See you in the cloud. Have a nice day.
Bye.